Well, 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 look what we've got here, a VA loan. That's right, folks, the Rolls-Royce of home loans. And guess what? You don't need a single dime down. Zero. Zilch. Nada. Not one penny out of your pocket. It's like walking into a five-star restaurant, ordering the lobster, and the waiter says, "Nah, it's on us. Thanks for your service. Oh, but we're just getting warmed up. You want lower interest rates? Bam, you got it. Want to dodge that annoying mortgage insurance? Boom. VA loans just gave it the boot, like a recruit who can't pass the PT test. You served your country, and now your country's rolling out the red carpet for you. This VA loan is the real deal. It's high speed, low drag, and built for folks who have been around the block a few times. It's time to get squared away and take full advantage of this benefit package that's as smooth as a freshly pressed uniform. VA loans are like hitting the jackpot in Vegas, but instead of coins, you get keys to your new home. Cha-ching! And let's face it, you've earned it, soldier. Whether you're active duty, a veteran, or even a surviving spouse, you're in the exclusive club. No cover charge, no dress code, and definitely no waiting in line like you're stuck on KP duty. This is your moment. Don't sit there like a soup sandwich. Call in the airstrike on those housing headaches and let me, Greg Tusing, mortgage man, guide you to that new home. Stay sharp, stay squared away, and let's get you that house, baby. Call us now at 949-539-0481, and let's make it happen.